Hey guys, what's up? Hey, how you doing? This is Lou. I just came from working a 12-hour shift. I've been working all day. I just got home, and it's like after 9 p.m. I'm gonna show you how to replace a lamp for your TV. Less than 5 minutes. Take a look at this. All right, you have KDF 55E 2000 Sony. All right, so just time it. It will take me less than 5 minutes to change it. This new one I bought from Amazon. It being shipped to my house. Ship it right in my front door. Okay. Now let's start counting. Right here. Once again, like I say, it'll take less than 5 minutes. Phase 1. Phase 2. It'll say open and close. Put it on open. Right there is a slot. It is like a track, or you call it a track, or call it slot. Pull out. Phase 2. Phase 3. You can see it. My bad. Phase 3. Lift up. But be careful though. My bad. That's it. Out, be careful. But this for you, this knob, lift it up. You see it again. Out. This it can be an empty slot right on your left side, and this is the knob right here. You lift up and down, up and down. Okay. Now I have the brand new one. It's been brand new. Take a look. All right, guys. Apologize. I'm tired. I've been working a 12-hour shift. So, identical. See, old one to new one. Brand new one. Then, again, this is the slot right in the bottom here, underneath the lever or the leverage. Those are 2 slots you want to put right on this track. All right, there we go. How long it take? 4 minutes and 7 seconds? Okay. Put it on close. Fine. All said and done. All you have to do, just plug it back in, cut it on, and set it with your remote control. And go to settings. I'm going to ask you, have you replaced the lamp? I say yes. Alright, thank you. Alright, thumbs up if you like it. Appreciate it very much. Thank you.